All right, this problem is a substitution problem slash maybe exponent problem, but it's mainly substitution. So it tells us a is equal to -2. So anytime a problem does that, think substitution because it's going to want you to probably substitute. And then, of course, it gives us the expression here, and you're going to substitute into a for each one. So I'm just going to start with this first one, a. Okay, -2 is a, so I put in -2 for a. That goes there. All right, now a squared I'm going to do. That's plus. Now a squared is -2 times -2. So I'm going to kind of do this up here to kind of show. -2 times -2 is 4 because two negatives make a positive when it comes to negative integers. So that's going to be 4. Minus, and I'm going to put a parentheses here to put this number in here to give me an extra step, but it kind of keeps things organized. This is going to be my a cubed. So a cubed is -2 times -2 times -2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And it's going to be -8 because these two negatives cancel out to a positive. And then one more negative is just a -8. So that's going to be -8. All right, plus my a to the fourth I need to do. All right, a to the fourth I'm going to do down here, do the space. So it's going to be -2, -2, -2, -2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 16, and it's going to be positive 16 because you have an even number of negatives, and so that they all cancel out to be positive. So that's going to be 16. All right, minus. I'm going to do another parentheses here. I'm doing the parentheses with a minus because it just keeps it straight a little bit better. If you don't, you kind of get the negative gets lost. All right, a to the fifth I'm going to do down here. I'm just going to add another -2 here. Since I had 4 already, I don't want to rewrite. All right, so now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. Now it's going to be negative because these two negatives go to a positive. These two negatives go to a positive, so I'm left with a negative. So that's going to be -32. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and solve. Now, before I do that, you see these two negatives here with the 8? Those go to positives because in math, 2 wrongs make a right. So 2 negatives make a positive. I can put as many positives as I want. Same thing here with the -32. Negative, negative goes to a positive, positive. All right, now I can go ahead and add everything up. -2 plus 4 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. I got to go left to right for my order of operations. 26 plus 32 is 58. And that's exactly what we have for D.